Bonjour tout le monde, hello. The World Cup is here and today we are going to learn from French football expression that really fans use during matches. These phrases are easy, useful and perfect for beginners. Let's start. First, but. It is goal. For example, but pour la France, goal for France. Allez. It is common, for example, allez le bleu. We have also incroyable. It is incredible. You use it when something amazing happens during a match. Quel match? What's a game? On a gagné. We won. Ou on a perdu. We lost. If you want to wish them good luck, you can say bonne chance. Now listen and practice with me. La France joue aujourd'hui. Allez le bleu. But pour la France. Incroyable. Quel match. À la fin, on a gagné. It's like this. France is playing today. Come on, France. Goal for France. Incredible. Was a game at the end. We won. So, guys, which team are you supporting in the World Cup? Write in French and comment below. Thanks for learning French with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next. Ciao ciao, à bientôt.